So we're making our pizzas. So we done the basings and we're gonna add more because we want it to taste nice. So we got cheese, we got some mushrooms, white sauce, tomato sauce, pepper, corn, and olives. So
No, corn sweet.
yeah, sweet corns.
So
So we're gonna add these to make it nice. So you can start. So we're gonna put the tomato sauce first. So Lisa, you wanna start first? Okay. Now 2 scoops, okay? Remember. Yes. No, put it down there. Put it down there.
It's
Yeah,
okay,
like
let
that.
her do it.
And then you.
Dano, it's okay.
No, can you do it?
Okay, you can do it. That's good.
Need more.
Take 1 more scoop. Yeah, put it down.
Spread with the knife.
Spread it everywhere.
Knife.
Spread with the knife, okay? And put that back. Yes. Can I help you?
No, okay.
Yes.
It's Selena's turn.
Now it's your turn, Selena. I'm gonna. Okay, so you take 1 scoop.
I love this. Can I taste this? Mm. It's good.
Yeah.
The cheese is so good. Everything is so good. Yeah, right? It's good.
So she's gonna add 1 more scoop.
I want one more.
That's all. Okay, so she took 1 more. And that 1 more, and that's all. Okay? Take it out, take it out. Now use the knife, use the knife. Okay? Use the knife. Just put it out, okay? Use the knife. Now I'm gonna take
I'm
2
done.
scoops. So I took 1 large scoop, and then I put it there. And then
It's good.
I'm gonna take
Like spice,
1
guys.
more.
Yeah.
There, and then I put it back.
Yeah, guys, it's
And
good.
then,
I'm done, Daniel.
okay.
I'm done.
Okay.
I want to put some this peppers. Can I put
So-
some peppers?
So she's gonna put some peppers.
pepper.
Okay.
Peppers. I love peppers. I
Just
wanna-
one, just one.
And now what
Okay.
she's some
She put some peppers. Oh, she got some.
Elisa, what
mushrooms.
you putting on now?
mushrooms.
Do you like mushrooms?
Yeah.
What color are the mushrooms?
Is peach.
It's kind of like peach, but it's looks like brown and peach. Cause it looks like brown with peach.
Elisa, can you tell us what you're doing now?
I'm making a pizza, guys.
So I've done mine.
No, what are you putting on?
Now
I'm
what-
putting sweet corn.
So I've done my them. So I'm gonna add some of these. So I'm gonna take sweet corns because I love corns. They're my favorite.
And my
Spread
favorite
it around everywhere.
And what you putting on now, Elisa?
olives. It's green olives.
Yeah, some pizza comes with black.
It's so tasty.
Some
guys.
pizza?
So like
Olives, you mean?
yeah,
There
the
are black olives and
different kinds.
green olives.
Yeah,
Ah, you say?
I wanna add more because I love.
What you adding now, Elisa?
I don't know.
It's a white
it's
sauce.
white sauce. Wait, how does it taste?
Okay, I think that's enough. Thank
Yeah,
you.
that's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna
Put
just
some
add.
Wow, Selena.
Oh, I'm
very
gonna
nice.
so Selena, cheese to you? You want cheese? Okay, so I'm gonna add cheese for her. Let me spit it around.
Let her do it. Let her do it, Daddy.
Okay,
You
take
do
it.
yours.
Take your hand. Take your hand. I'll give me your hand. Spit it around. Like this, like Selena. Like this. Like take the part. Okay, take some, and then spit it around like this, Selena. Like this, like spit it around.
It's everyone. So can I have some more, guys?
Yeah, take more. And that's all. That's all.
Can I take more? Good. I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, you don't want to put anything else?
I would like some more corns because I want to for the topping. They're very good. I love corns. Yes. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, Lisa.
You want these? Add them.
Okay, we're gonna see your pizzas now. So what did you put in there?
I put some
Tomato sauce, and she put some.
peppers
Hmm.
and some mushrooms
Hmm.
and some no, I put some sweet corn, olives, some
Tomato sauce, could be,
tomato sauce,
and white sauce,
white sauce,
And-
and corn.
And cheese.
and
Cheese?
also did you say?
Wow.
And
Good. And Danu?
corn sweet.
So I add some tomato sauce and cheese.
Would you like some white sauce?
I don't know how they taste like, but I'm gonna put it in one place because I'm gonna see how it tastes. So I'm gonna put some there.
So tasty.
Okay, Selena? What you got on your pizza? What do you have on your pizza, Selena?
Selena, I wanted
You have sauce?
Asa. Mine is Asa.
Olives.
Yummy, yummy.
So now we're gonna put this in the oven. My mom put it very hot, and then we're gonna put it in the oven, and we're gonna wait. And then we're gonna eat our yummy pizzas.
And it's good. See, you have to taste that and you're gonna grow up.
Okay. So we have made our pizzas now, and it looks super yummy and delicious. So we're gonna enjoy it.
I want that. Join in. We're gonna join it to pizza.
You gonna enjoy your pizza? How is
Quite
it?
hot. The white sauce is good. Go good. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Mama, hey, I will see. Bye.